Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making an easy, amazing tortellini soup. So let's get started. First off, we're adding 1 tablespoon of oil right into our Dutch oven. In you go. Everyone measures tablespoons, don't they? Heat that up over medium-high heat. I want to see this oil dancing in the pan. We're going to be cooking up 1 pound of Italian sausage. If it's in the casings, this is your time to remove the sausage from the casings and break it up a little bit before we add it into the pan. And for this recipe, you can use whatever Italian sausage you like. Chicken, beef, pork, any combination there. And if you want, your favorite non-Italian sausage. I'm not gonna judge. Is the oil dancing in the pan? My oil's dancing in the pan. So right now I'm gonna add that sausage in. 1 pound, 450 grams. Use a wooden spoon to break that up. You're gonna be stirring this frequently for about 5 minutes until it's completely browned and cooked through. Now we're gonna do just a little bit of prep, so grab 3 or so cloves of garlic, give them a smash, remove the skins, and mince them up. This soup is packed with flavor. It comes together really quickly. It's like less than half an hour, start to finish. And you know that this is gonna be fun for kids to eat whenever there's tortellini or ravioli involved. Just give those garlic pieces a nice mince. Do us all a favor and never buy pre-minced garlic. Don't do that to yourself. I would rather use garlic powder than the pre-minced garlic. That's how strongly I feel. Just keep stirring. Alrighty. You also want to chop half of an onion. Set that other half aside and give it a good chop. Just watch those fingertips and use your knuckles as a guard. This recipe came as a request, by the way, so if there's a recipe that you want to see on the channel, especially a soup, I'm in a soup mood right now, you let me know in the comments and it might get added to the list. My prep's all done. While the sausage is browning, you can just make sure that you have the rest of your ingredients out and ready. I have my spinach, the cheese tortellini, a little bit of basil, some crushed tomatoes, salt, pepper, chicken stock, and love in my heart. My sausage is browned up nicely. Right now I'm gonna add in my onion and garlic into the pan. It's a pot. Into the pot. We're gonna cook this stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes or until the onions are nice and tender and the garlic is fragrant. It smells really good already. Look at this stirring, oh my gosh. This is some gold medal champion stirring. The onions are nice and softened, so now we're gonna add in 4 cups or 32 ounces of chicken stock, a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, hit of tomato, a bit of acid, the little tomato chunks are gonna taste nice too. I'm also gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is gonna come to a boil and, my gosh, look how tempting these tortellini look. Tortellini is like the diminutive form coming from torta, which means pie. They're like little pies because they're filled. That's pretty cute. This has to come to a boil, so it's your chance to do a little bit of cleanup, watch some videos on your phone, or whatever you want. My soup's come to a boil, so I'm reducing heat to medium, and I'll let it cook uncovered for about 15 minutes, just while stirring occasionally. This is an opportunity for those flavors to really concentrate and come together. If you don't give your soup enough cook time, it's just gonna have like separate flavors and you're not gonna really appreciate everything coming together. All right. After your soup's been simmering away, we're gonna increase the heat back to medium-high. Now we're gonna add about 9 ounces of our cheese tortellini in. Check your package for the cook time, but it's gonna be about 4 to 5 minutes, depending. Just stir occasionally. You especially wanna make sure the tortellini are not sitting above the soup. They should be inside, nestled, and moving around so they all get equally cooked. I love tortellini. It was one of my favorite pastas as a kid, but it was always my favorite in theory. In practice, it tended to be kind of disappointing or bland. It just never was right. This soup fixes all of that. It's gonna be packed with flavor all over the place, lovely coming together and supporting the tortellini so it can be its very best. This is gonna be a good one. A lot of you will want to cook your tortellini to be a bit on the al dente side just because your soup will be sitting around and it's sure to absorb more water and cook through. So just keep that in mind when you're adding that pasta in and cooking it up. And while that's coming together, you want about 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. If you want though, you could definitely add more. Like 2 cups is 1 handful, and it wilts to nothing. My tortellini is nice and al dente, so now it's time to stir in my spinach. It's so funny because it looks like it's a bowl full of spinach and it's gonna be like that much. 2 cups of baby spinach and about 2 tablespoons of chopped basil. The basil adds so much flavor. Stir that in, it'll cook in just a minute and be perfectly wilted. Before we move on, this is your opportunity to give the soup a taste and see, do I need some more seasoning? Is this nice? Oh, for me, that's perfect. You might want to add in a little bit of salt, maybe a dash of lemon juice, some Tabasco, whatever you want. Season the soup now, it's melded together, but you want to give whatever seasoning you're going to add in some time to like just work its way into the soup so it's not just little granules hanging around. Remove from heat and then serve garnished with shredded Parmesan. Now you're ready to enjoy. That is jam-packed with flavor. It's so hearty and substantial, but it still feels light and bright. It's really delicious, and I hope you get a chance to make this recipe. If you like this video, check out my soup playlist.